Hi everyone, in front of me I've got iPhone 17 and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So let's begin with the first code, but first of all we have to open the dialer so we can enter the codes. The first one is *#06#, and thanks to this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. They are assigned into two different SIM card slots. Another code is *#07#, and after entering this code we have to tap on this dial key. So let's tap on it and we will be transferred to legal and regulatory information. So here you've got the regulatory, and here you can check, for example, the warranty. You've got also the license, etc. So you can check some important information here. And another code is *3001#, 12345#. And after entering this code, again tap on this dial key and we will be transferred to the dashboard where you can check the carrier, for example your phone number, band and bandwidth. Moreover, here you've got two really important indicators. The first one, which is RSRP, it stands for the signal strength, and anything greater than -90 here is perfect, and anything lower -120 is bad. And the second one, which is also quite important, is RSRQ, which stands for the signal quality, and anything greater than -12 is good, and lower than -12 is not the best. So right now we are okay. And those were connected with the device itself, let's say, and now I'm going to show you those which are carrier specific, and you have to be aware that some might not work because it depends on the specific carrier. So the first one which I wanted to show you is *#21#, and after that we have to tap on the dial key. After that your device will basically ask the carrier, as you can see, will ask the carrier whether there is the call forwarding option enabled, and you can check the information on the screen. As you can see, in my case, everything is disabled. Let's go back or dismiss. Another code which I would like to show you is to actually turn off all of the call forwarding at once. So if you will decide that you don't want to have this option turned on, and then you have to simply enter *#002# and then dial key, and your device will basically turn off all of the call forwarding at once. Another code is *72, and after entering this code you have to follow it with the number, with a specific number to which you'd like to forward the calls. So for example, let's pretend I want to forward all my calls to 658325. So let's pretend it is a number. So basically your device will forward all the calls which are intended to you into this specific number. Another code which is actually similar to the previous one is *62#, and it also should be followed by the phone number you want to forward the calls, for example this one. However, your device will forward, or actually carrier will forward the calls only if your phone is unreachable. So if you're out of signal and someone cannot really connect with you, then your device or your carrier will forward the calls. And the last code, if you wish to turn off this whole forwarding section or option, you have to simply enter #62# and just tap on this dial key. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.